Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you healthy or do you have any healthy issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
Are you
I
sure
am
that no?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you are unwell, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Um, Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am Giselle De La Cruz. I am a single. I have one daughter, but my daughter they're in province at Iloilo, and my mother take care of my daughter.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have passport?
No, ma'am.
For passporting,
Yes, ma'am.
are you single or married?
Single, ma'am, but I have a live-in partner, but he passed away.
What happened?
Uh, they have a colon cancer, ma'am.
Okay, so when is your birthday?
June 30, 1982.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2", and then my weight is 54.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
A high school graduate, ma'am.
You got one kid which is 7 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Because I want to work there in Malaysia, ma'am. I really need to support my daughter here in Philippines. If I have a worker in Philippines, I cannot afford to to support my daughter and my family also.
Okay, who will going to take care of your kid once you come to work here?
My mother, ma'am.
Your mother. How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother have a small business, a sari-sari store, and she is 62 years old.
What about your father?
Farmer's mom,
How old is he?
64.
54.
64, ma'am, 60.
64. So how many brother and sister do you have?
My sister, we have three sister and then two brothers. I am the eldest.
You are the eldest, okay? So your family allow you to come to work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2021 to 2023 for 2 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Mandaluyong, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Mandaluyong?
I am personal to take care of the eldest woman.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
84 years old, ma'am.
Is it female or male?
Female po.
Okay, while taking care of this elderly, you do also house chores at the same time?
Uh, they not walk, and then I need to
Are you a
take her.
stay-in maid there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so while taking care of this elderly, can you do house chores? Did you do house chores also, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are all around, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer?
Because I need to find a job, and then I choose Malaysia to
Okay. But you know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job, okay? You need to
yes,
be
ma'am.
flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any kind of pets or dogs, cats, rabbits?
Oh, yes, yes, ma'am.
You're not scared or are you scared?
I am not scared, but I swear the snake or the other pets either.
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware also that you cannot hold your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day? And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you have a once a week rest day, okay? But you are not
Yes,
allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800. But if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with it? Are you
yes,
or do you agree with our terms and conditions?
I am agree, ma'am.
Okay, better if you disagree, stay in the Philippines. We don't force people to come here. If you are okay with this, with our rules and regulations, then you can come. Important is you agree. In our initial interview, I did specific one and we clarify about all these things to you and we clear about it and you also agree. So don't give us trouble once you come to work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect the employer. You will any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad? Homesickness will frequently attack you. What will you gonna do? How will you gonna handle it?
I I handle that situation, ma'am.
How?
Uh, to focus my work, ma'am.
To focus your work, okay?
Yes,
So, yeah. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. And you have a goals in your life and you want a better future for your kid, right?
yes, ma'am.
So always remind of that why you wanted to come and work here. Always you need to embrace hardshipness, okay? You need to
Yes,
fasten your seatbelt because this is the reality of working abroad. Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
houses
Yes,
here is very big. They got a lot of, I mean, bathrooms, bedrooms. You could have five bedrooms. Then you must also do it. Okay, you need
yes, ma'am.
to, flexible, be multitasking.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. God
Bye.
bless.